Make your studying a little easier. I mean, nursing school is tough, we know that, but make it a little easier by watching.
God is not done with me. No, God is not done with me. He's just getting started, and I'm right here for it. Be patient.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. Thank you for joining today's video. As you can see by the title, in today's video are nursing related, hopefully helpful nursing videos for you guys again. In today's videos, you guys, I will be talking about some amazing nursing resources. So some beautiful and just great resources that you can use throughout nursing school and just even for your NCLEX. If you are taking the board soon, I have a video on the NCLEX, the new generation NCLEX. So check my video out for some helpful tips. That's your new generation NCLEX at your first try, hopefully. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, why not? So click on the red button below and the bell beside it so that you will get notified each time I post a video like this one. Let's get right into the video. So a lot of those resources, maybe videos or YouTubers or I don't know, websites that you might have heard of before, they're pretty popular, and these were really helpful for me throughout my program and through the NCLEX. Okay, let's get right into it. First on my lists that I always talk about because he is just so good. Like, if you're not using Simply Nursing, what are you using? Like, who are you watching, literally? Simply Nursing, Michael Lanares, it is a godsend. You just gotta believe this. His videos are great. Make your studying a little easier. I mean, nursing school is tough, we know that, but make it a little easier by watching Simply Nursing videos. Like, he has a whole package where you pay for it, and then he has like video lectures on every single topic, every single class. Pharmacology, med surg, fundamentals of nursing, pediatrics, maternity. He has videos on all of them, the topics as well. He goes in depth teaching you what you need to know. So if you don't have him, it's not too late, hopefully. Go get yourself a package. Or he has some free videos on YouTube as well. You can watch the free ones on YouTube. They're all helpful. But you could actually just get his package, and where you have access to more videos and more lectures on like in-depth lectures on the topics in the classes. So you're gonna thank me later. Okay guys, okay, next on my list is Level Up RN. So Level Up RN has like, they have a channel as well. They make a lot of videos on nursing classes and the topics and just like really difficult ones as well. And they have a lot of, I think they have like different nurses who teaches in the videos. I remember using Level Up RN mostly from med surg. I used a lot of them for med surg, but like there was, I think in GI and med surg, Level Up RN was super helpful for me. So you want to check out your videos and their websites, and they have flashcards. They have a lot of like just different study materials and stuff. Okay, and Kathy, I think, is one of the nurses for Level Up RN, and she's great. So you want to check them out. And the next that I have on here is Nurse Sarah. So she's really good. I actually use her mostly for fundamentals of nursing. I remember using her videos for long time when I first started. Oh, it's funny. But yeah, her videos are really good. She has a lot of videos on, and I do remember using her videos on maternity as well, I think. Yeah. So check out her videos, check out their websites, and you can just try like all of these and see which you prefer to listen to, or which of them is helpful for you, because people study differently. I could find her helpful, you might not. So just listen to her videos and just see if she's helpful, if you like her videos. The other is a website called Nurses Lab. So Nurses Lab is a nursing website for nursing students. He has a lot of questions on all the nursing classes. They have like 75 questions for like each classes, and they have for like LPNs and RNs, I think. Yeah, they have fundamentals of nursing, on all the classes, from pharmacology and like in math, I think, in math, you guys, on the math and just other stuff. Like they also have like helpful hints for a care plan. Like if you're struggling with care plan right now, to write a care plan, I think they have like suggestions on like how to write your care plans and just examples, and just they do a really good job on that as well, on care plans. And they have a lot of practice questions. I remember I used to like do the questions, do the practice questions a lot, and those were really helpful. They are Yeah, they have for LPNs, RNs. So check out Nurses Lab. I will put a link below and up here. Okay. That's another amazing study resource for nursing school. Another is the Nclex RN or PN. So basically you would need this after graduating and you're ready for your tests. So basically they have practice questions for you to do to help you study and rationales and just like some things to refer to. Yeah, so I think they have their practice question in book and an app that you can use as well. So yeah, so check out Nclex RN or PN. It's more for the Nclex actually, but it's a good resource for the boards. Also, next I have UWorld. That's also like for the boards or for the Nclex. And like I said, I never really got to use UWorld a lot, but I did try the free questions and I thought it was great. But I didn't really use it for my Nclex, but I've heard a lot of like good stories on how helpful it was for some people, and it's pretty popular. It's pretty popular to have helped a lot of nurses, I think. I didn't really use it much. I just tried the free ones, but you can check it out. Check out UWorld's practice questions, and that will be for your boards most likely. Yeah, okay. And lastly on here, I have the ATI websites and the ATI books. Okay. The ATI books are not very in-depth. So I never really liked the ATI books because they don't go in-depth on those topics in those classes. They're like, I don't know, they're more like overall summarizing the things that you need to know kind of. But if you want to go in-depth reading, like you want to read more in-depth rationales, like notes, details, you want to use your nursing textbooks. But the ATI books are also helpful, but they don't go in depth. They don't go in details with their information, like on the topics, and just the readings are not in depth. They're more like on the, I don't know, surface or summary or important stuff to know. But yeah, and they do have questions at the back of the ATI books. Usually for the ATI books, your school would give you a bundle for every class, and they expect you to study or use those to study. But yeah, I think these books are helpful. They have questions at the back and the answers. You practice the questions and check if you're right or wrong and whatnot. But yeah, those are helpful as well. And also you can have the ATI online practice questions are different. So that usually would go together with your school ATI purchase, I believe. But yeah, they have like the free practice questions. I'd advise to take advantage of the free practice questions on the ATI website. So take advantage of those and do a lot of practice questions. Do a lot. They have good rationales right there with the questions after answering. You see why you got it wrong or what's right and what's not right and what's wrong or whatever. But yeah, the ATI is a really good one as well. There's a lot more. There's many more nursing resources or nursing school resources out there. And if you're watching this video right now, you have a great one you want to share, go ahead and share it down in the comment section below. Any nursing resource that you would recommend for nursing students out there, and we'll really appreciate that. So yeah, go ahead and leave a comment on any other resource that you've used before, you've heard of that it's really great. Feel free to share in my comment section below, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not. Click on the red button below and the bell beside it to get notified when I post a video like this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, also quickly, if there are any video recommendations from nursing students out there that you want me to do, related to what, I don't know, classes, pharmacology, med surg, whatnot, any class at all, any video recommendation or idea, feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and I will look into them and I would do those videos if I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.